The refreshed 2026 Mercedes-AMG S63 E-Performance, the most powerful S-Class yet, subtly refined for 2026. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG S63 refined design touches. Spy shots reveal understated but premium updates, new star pattern LED daytime running lights, slimmer side vents, revamped front and rear bumpers, and updated rear lighting signatures. The iconic Panamericana grille remains, now enhanced with tweaked vane detailing. 2026 Mercedes-AMG S63 powertrain and performance. Beneath its sleek skin, the S63 retains its ferocious twin-turbo 4.0 LV8 paired with an electric motor, delivering around 791 horsepower and 1,055 lb-ft of torque. Expected tweaks for 2026 won't change the explosive performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds, with a top speed of 155 miles per hour, or up to 180 miles per hour with the AMG driver's package. The driving feel. Despite tipping the scales at over 5,700 pounds, the S63 handles with surprising agility, thanks to adaptive air suspension, rear axle steering, and AMG-tuned chassis dynamics. It glides, corners, and inspires confidence, even in high-speed precision driving. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG S63 hybrid usability and driving modes. Electric-only range remains modest, about 16 miles, but that quick first-gear electric boost makes city launches explosive. In low-speed scenarios, modes like battery hold allow for smoother, more V8-centric driving if you prefer that refined feel. The luxury and tech within, the S-Class offers supremely luxurious seating, heated, ventilated, massaging, plus optional rear seat screens, Bremster sound, and more. Post-facelift models could include an updated hyperscreen interface and refreshed materials inside. The updated 2026 AMG S63 E-Performance is an exhilarating hybrid super-sedan that merges relentless power with refined elegance. Its mid-cycle changes are subtle, but impactful, keeping its performance dominance and opulent character ahead of the game.